Apartment Therapy. I'm Jennelle and we are in Santa Cruz, California. This is my home and I'm going to be showing you guys around. So this is a 1995 GMC Vandura Explorer Limited, and I've been living in here for about a year and a half now, 6 months, with my pet snake Alfredo, and it's 72 square feet, and I own and built out the van myself. So when designing and decorating the van, I was really inspired by the summertime. That's when I do the most of my traveling. I really like pink. I wanted to incorporate fun and flirty colors throughout the van. My favorite part of the van is my closet. I'm gonna put Alfredo away real quick and show that to you guys, but alright. Throw him over there, put this there, and I have a really big closet for someone who lives in a van, and I didn't want to sacrifice my style just because I live in such a small space. So that is definitely my favorite part. The thing I'm most proud of building is my floors, because this took so long. The van came fully stocked, so I had to rip out all the chairs and the carpet, and I really like the vinyl floor. They're waterproof and perfect for adventures. The biggest struggle living in a van, or for me personally, was my solar. I have 300 watts of solar on the roof that I'll show you guys in a moment, but it's not always sunny. Like right now it's not sunny, so getting power has been a struggle. I have to keep my snake warm, I have to keep my fridge cold, but I invested in this battery, which is the Goal Zero Yeti Lithium 1400, and it has been great. We're at 100 watts, or 100% still, and you know, everything's working functionally. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.